Do you accept, when all of this first came out, Minister, when your department proposed taking shorter showers, do you accept that it came across as patronising and out of touch?
If it did, I very much regret that, because that's not the impression we want to create. But if we shied away and said nothing about efficiency and the benefits of doing that, or providing advice and providing information, we wouldn't be doing our job properly. Every country in Europe, including the European Commission, is doing the same thing, because it is a crisis. There's never been a wartime situation like this in my lifetime. And I think energy has been used as a weapon in this war. The high prices are a result of what the Russian government is doing.
People will know that. Well, people will know, look, there are really high prices, and, you know, I'm already cutting back hugely. We're already making decisions, you know, not to put the washing machine on at certain times or to do things differently. People are potentially already taking shorter showers and always have done. Are you taking shorter showers?
Yeah. Yes, but I don't... if we turn this into just go back to the point you'd made earlier on, a kind of virtue signalling thing where, oh, I'm better than everyone else. That's not the way to win this argument, or that's not the way to kind of put people over, oh, I'm so virtuous, I'm doing this, that and the other. No, but I think a lot of people actually do want good information on the sort of measures that can be done. Not on a, I'm better than you, or you have to do this, or you have to do that, but just sharing some good advice. That's an absolutely valid, appropriate and right thing to be doing.